I'm excited. I love Diamond Kings. Frickin' love Diamond Kings. It's fun stuff. You want box number 3. All right. So we're going to start off right now. I'm going to break this box open for David. Welcome, everybody. Thanks for joining me. I'm Ryan with Sports Stuff Hub. We're live streaming here on Wednesday night. We're starting off with a personal box for David. This is 2017 Panini Contenders draft picks. What this is a 18 cards per pack, 6 packs per box. On average, 6 autos per box. So we're hoping to pull David a nice big monster. I know he's seriously contemplating PCing Mike Williams, the rookie wide receiver for the Chargers. So pulling a Mike Williams out of here, David probably not going to hate that. So good luck, David. Let's get started on tonight. Coming up next, we're going to be breaking our case of 2016 Panini Diamond Kings. Starting it off, here's your base cards for 2016. All right, the Astros and Rays just came off the board for Diamond Kings. All right. So, what do we have? We have our first hit, auto. Chidobe Awuzie auto. Yeah, Twin Oaks Card Show usually has 30, 40 tables set up. Here is School Colors Chad Kelly. Here is an Old School Colors Todd Gurley. Collegiate Connections Dede Westbrook and Samaje Perine. So that's what the duel looks like. Here is Cooper Kupp with the variation ticket. Travis Rudolph with the variation ticket. Dak, Odell, Dickerson, Tebow, Barry Sanders, Luke Kuechly. So that is what the base cards look like. And we already get a Chidobe Awuzie auto for David. Yes, sir, Cowboy. All right, so Troy Aikman, Keenan Allen, Brett Favre, Marvin Jones, Devonta Freeman, Russell Westbrook, and what do we get? Oh, boom, cracked ice, Jaleel Johnson, numbered out of 23. Look at that beauty. Numbered out of 23. Jaleel Johnson, cracked ice auto. David called it cracked ice coming in this box. School Colors, there's your Mike Williams. Tim Tebow, we get a San Diego State University, Pumphrey and Marshall Falk Collegiate Connections. Patrick Mahomes rookie card, Jake Butt rookie. And that's it for that one. All right, so not bad so far. Already getting a cracked ice auto. Congratulations, David. And let's see what we get in this box. Or in this pack, I should say. All right. Another, oh man, another auto, low number, numbered out of 15. Amara Darboh. Auto out of 15. 2 sequentially numbered autos for David. Nice box. Very nice box. Wow, numbered out of 15. See if we can get that. There we go. 8 of 15. Congratulations, David. Nice. Patrick Mahomes, School Colors, Marcus Mariota. We get a Todd Gurley Rush Week. Deshaun Watson rookie card. And a Chad Kelly passing grades. Very nice. Very nice box. There you go. Exactly. And there's a PC team for you, too. Nice selection on the box, David. David picking box number 3. And you get a sequentially numbered base card of Khalil Mack numbered out of 99. So 3 sequentially numbered cards. And your auto for this box, Cameron Sutton. Not numbered this time. Still solid rookie, Cameron Sutton. And then a Juju Smith-Schuster. Get a Carson Wentz. We get a Clemson College Connections, Mike Williams, Deshaun Watson. Brad Kaya rookie. Dalvin Cook rookie. Not a bad pack. Nice. This box is good. Wow. Very solid box. All right, next auto over to Ohio State, Noah Brown. Noah Brown. Then an Alvin Kamara School Colors. Barry Sanders Old School, Leonard Fournette Rush Week. Samaje Perrin. And a Carson Wentz Passing Grades. And then the rest of your base cards. All right. Last pack, David. Good luck on this last pack. Let's see if you can't smash this even more than you already have. Okay. And base auto, Cole Hikutini. Okay, so that's your sixth auto. All right, Christian McCaffrey, rookie. Dak Prescott, old school. Get an Ezekiel Elliott Rush Week. Mike Williams on the on the game day ticket. Passing grades Dak. And then the rest of your base cards. So that was one box of 2017 Panini Contenders draft picks. Congratulations, David, on the nice hits on that one. I'll get these all sleeved up for you. And we just had an alert come through during that box. The Rays and Astros are off the board. You're going to have a nice fat stack of cards that I'm going to be delivering to you, David. You're going to love that Mike Williams, by the way. That card is beautiful. I was going to say ask Don, but he's over on Breakers TV right now. But Don, those Majestic patch autos, the rookie patch autos, they're pretty dang impressive in hand, aren't they? I have to say that I definitely am impressed with Majestic, and I'm working on getting us another case so that we can smash another one, because that product was really good, especially right now, because rookie values all the rookie values are at an all-time high right now, because there's really nothing that can detract deter their value currently. Unless they get picked up on a drug possession charge or they get a massive injury. So right now, there's really nothing that can sway their value. So right now is a great time for us to break Majestic. And then come in July, in a month, breaking Gold Standard. For Gold Standard to come out that early in the season, I was a little hesitant. But I think it'll be good. Yes, both the Darbo and the Johnson are on-card autos. The other 4 are stickers. That's typically how